Hey guys, I'm doing a little video on, at the moment I'm making some cargo net containers, holders for the windows here. So I thought I'd share that with you. So I made up the backing with, actually I'll just show you. So I made up the window covers with just that reflective material, a piece of 3mm MDF and some soundproof foam, and these are just go on the windows. Oh, and magnets, as you can see, magnets just glued with a glue gun. And so basically that goes on top of that like such, and it blocks everything out. I gotta be quick because it's raining. So it blocks everything out in terms of light. When you're inside the van at night time, people can't see through. Even though I've got the windows blocked out with white, you can still see shadows. So I did that, and then I brought these cargo nets on eBay and made these cargo nets to put stuff in. So you can put your towels in here and put that stuff in here like such. So I'm going to show you how to make it on this side now. Let's go. Alright, so the things that you'll need to build this, the cargo net, is obviously a cargo net. I got this one from eBay, and basically I couldn't find the size, obviously the right size exactly for my window cuttings. So I got like I think it was like a 110 centimeters by 60 or 40, and basically I'm just stretching it over from the back. I'll show you how to do that. So you need a cargo net. It comes with these adhesive hooks and screws and whatnot. You might want to use smaller screws if you're going through 3mm MDF, because obviously they'll come through the other side and you'll prick your finger every time you put something in. So I'm using small screws, not the ones that came with. Glue gun, and that's it, really. Oh, and a drill. Alright, here we go. Alright, and it's that easy. So see it from the back. Basically, I've kind of just aligned it, got the the strainer I want on the cargo net, so I can obviously put stuff in there. Put a screw in there. Obviously it's a little stick-on thing, but you need a screw. Put a screw in there just to make it hold it in a lot stronger. Put it across, and then the bottom you put another one further up, and then you hook it around, and that's it. Away you go. And then you can put all your stuff in there. Cool. Now those screws, okay, so one of them came through because obviously the sound foam is wavy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my glue gun, and I'm just going to put a dab of glue on there and let it go hard, and that way when I put things in I'm not going to cut my hand on that screw. So there you go guys, not the prettiest of cargo nets, but practical, does the job. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.